Yo, what is going on, guys? It is your boy Rubix here, and we are back with another video. And today, this video is going to be how to level up fast in Kingdom Hearts 3. In order to do these steps, you're going to have to finish the game already, and this is the only way how, so don't ask. What you want to do is go to a Moogle and buy some ethers. You're going to need a lot of these because you're going to be mostly using magic. Now you want to equip Thunderga and Ethers in the shortcut command. Okay, now you want to equip your strongest Keyblade, so you want to try and max level them out as fast as possible or as much as you can. I recommend magic based Keyblades so that it can boost Thunderga so that your attacks will be more lethal. Okay, so now what you want to do is head to Olympus, first floor of the Realm of the Gods courtyard. Head to Battle Gate 1, and you're probably wondering why this Battle Gate, why not others? Well, first of all the Heartless are low level and they're easy to kill, and you can get a ton of XP. Just repeat these steps and you'll be level 99 within like 2 hours. So thank you guys for watching. Make sure to hit that like button. Also, don't forget to subscribe, and if you enjoy these type of contents, make sure to let me know in the comments. Peace.